Hello students, I am Anita Dhiman, your computer teacher. Hope you all are fit and fine. Dear student, we know that due to corona pandemic, the whole country has locked down itself. The country is struggling with school, teacher and lack of education. Most of the schools of the country have started online classes. You must take advantage of this opportunity. Our school has started giving online education to continue our study. Now it is easy to make connection with you all and it will help us to cover our syllabus and maintain the flow of study. Chapter number 1, Computer Hardware Components. Unit 1, Components of a Computer System. Components, the part, the things which are related to a computer, and these things make a computer system. This is the age of electronic revolution where computers are an integral part of our lives. It is indeed difficult to imagine our daily lives without it. We can't imagine that we can live without a computer, because in every field computers play a important role in our life. The field like finance, health, education, weather forecasting, in all the fields computers are required. Today it is very difficult. To find something that cannot be done with the help of a computer. Means we can't imagine that we can do any work without the help of a computer, because nowadays everything depend on the computer. There are many fields which are related to computers. Computers control most of our activities, hence it is important to develop the knowledge of information and technology. Now, what is a computer system? A computer is an electronic data processing machine which accepts data and information through an input unit. It has the ability to process data into meaningful information in the desired form. Means first we will input. Computer works this type of functions: input, then process, then output. Input like we will give the instructions and data by keyboard, mouse, that is known as the input device. Then process is going on by the CPU means control processing unit. All the processing works done by the CPU. Then we get meaningful information or result, that is known as the output. Output means we get soft copy, hard copy by printer, and we can see our result on the monitor. This is a computer system. Speaker, this is central processing unit. CPU, this is the monitor, this is also speaker, this is display unit, and this is the printer. This is keyboard and mouse. Mouse and keyboard are the input units, because by this we will give the data and instruction to the central processing unit. Central processing unit is the processing unit which control all calculations, arithmetical functions, all types of processing are done by the CPU. Then it is the output unit. It is known as display unit also, because we can see our result on this screen. This is the information which we will get on this screen. This is also a output unit, because we can get hard copy. When we will see a result on this, then we will get the printout, and printout is known as the hard copy, which work we have done on the system. Now, the coordination of computer devices that share a central storage system and various peripheral devices, printers, scanner or routers, is called a computer system. Now, it mainly consists of hardware and software components that work together. The primary function of a computer system are: first work is it holds all the components of a computer together and protect the sensitive electronic parts from outside elements. Means, in computer we will, the primary functions of a computer system are: it holds all the components of a computer together and protect the sensitive electronic parts from outside elements. It uses common storage for all or a part of a program, and also for all or a part of the data necessary for the execution of a program. Means, when we are doing programs on computer system, then we want to save. Now it is used for storage. We can save our program in the computer, and it is also a storage unit. It executes user written or user designed programs. User written means we are writing on that, and we are design also our programs on that with the help of keyboard and mouse. It performs user designated data manipulation, including arithmetical and logical operation. Arithmetical means mathematical, and logical means it find the logic, it is true, it is false, it is not equal, it is equal. All functions are done by the computer system. Now, second is hardware and software. The term hardware and software are two words that are frequently used in the field of computers. Both hardware and software makes our computer. Without hardware and software, computers cannot do any work, any processing or anything. Hardware is the term given to the machinery itself and to the various components and equipment of the computer system. Hardware, all input and output devices, storage devices, controlling and processing units are hardware. The hardware is the device which we can see, we can touch, we can feel. That is the hardware. Now, the term software refers to the set of computer programs, procedures and associated documents that describe how the programs are to be used. Means, software means a collection of programs that aim at enhancing the capability of the hardware. Programs are used to do our work on computer. Without software, we cannot do anything on computer. Now we can say that hardware and software are related to each other. Without software or without hardware, computer can't work. Types of software. There are two types of software: system software and application software. System software is also known as the system package. It is a set of one or more programs designed to control the operations of a computer system. Operations like calculation, like we can do any designing work, that is known as the operations. These programs do not solve specific problem but provide a platform to assist in the use of computer system by performing specific tasks. System software example is operating system. Operating system are used to operate our computer system. There are so many operating systems. This is Windows operating system. This is Apple's operating system, iOS. This is Android operating system, and this is also a computer operating system, Penguin operating system. Next is application software. An application software or application is a set of one or more programs designed to carry out specific tasks such as creating documents, presentation, etc. It allows the computer to perform useful tasks like MS Office. MS Office is the combination of MS Word. In Word, we can do the typing work. We can make tables. This is MS Excel. It is used to calculations using formulas in this system. And this is the MS Access. It is used to make the accounts. And this is the PowerPoint. PowerPoint is used to make our presentation. Relationship between hardware and software. Hardware refers to all the visible devices which are assembled together to build a computer system. Software refers to the computer programs that are loaded into a computer system. The blending of software and hardware gives life to a computer system. So we can say that hardware and software are the lifeline of a computer system. True, hardware is the physical part of a computer. It is nothing unless it has a software to control it. In a way, hardware is like a car without a driver. Software is a set of instructions that tells the hardware what to do and how to perform the requested actions. Both are essential to get the work done, and they share a special relationship. If hardware is the heart of a computer system, then software is its soul. Thus, hardware and software are complementary to each other, because we know that without heart we cannot do anything, and without soul we cannot do anything. Like in this example, that a car, if a car is standing, the car is useless if driver is not in that car, because driver is drive the car. Now, differences between hardware and software. There are 5 differences. First is, it is required to store and run a software. Hardware means store. Physical store is the storage unit, like pen drive. We can see, we can touch, we can feel this. It is used to run a software. Now, software, it refers to the programs that enable a computer to perform specific tasks. Number 2, hardware start functioning once a software is loaded. If there is no software, then hardware cannot start. Software is installed on the hardware to deliver its set of instructions. Because when we install software, so we need hardware also. Hardware is a physical in nature. Physical means we can see, we can touch, we can feel. Software is logical in nature. Logical means it is a program. It can do arithmetical calculations and logical works on system. There are more chances of failure in hardware devices. Software does not have a failure rate, and hence it is more reliable. Hardware components can be seen and touched. Software can be viewed at the time of execution loading. Okay, I will continue this chapter in upcoming video. If you have any query, you can ask me through email. I hope to see you soon in class. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, students.